Can you guess why I still practice numbers in my second language, even though I'm an intermediate to advanced language learner? Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is English Coach 3Ts. Today, I want to share with you one of the easiest ways I've learned to advance your English to the next level. Did you know that a lot of people who are studying a second language stop studying numbers after the first couple of months? And I'm going to share a secret with you about that. So the reason we need to continue working on our numbers in English is because this is one of the things that stops us when we're listening to someone speak quickly. Have you ever been listening to someone and as soon as they start talking about big numbers, you just stop listening? Yeah, me too. So I have found a trick that I use that I can work into my daily life. It actually takes 0 more time out of my day. If learning tips and tricks that will make English learning easier for you is helpful, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. So I noticed that this was true for me. I would be listening to a podcast or one of my conversation exchange partners, and they would be talking and I understood everything. And then they'd say a big number like 3,784, and I would just stop. Do you have the same problem? Let me know in the comments below. So I started developing a couple of ways I could work on numbers and have it be a part of my life or something fun that I can do with another person. If you want another idea, I'm going to link another video above. So what I've been doing is practicing my numbers when I take a walk. I just came back from a walk with our dog Espy, and I practiced my numbers for more than 10 minutes, and it didn't take any extra time out of my day. So here's the first thing I did. When I take a walk with Espy, I start counting my steps in my second language. Sometimes I count quickly and sometimes I count slowly, depending on if I need to work on the pronunciation of a certain number or a certain group of numbers. The other thing I do is a part of one of the goals I have for my health. Since I work from home, I sit down in front of a computer a lot. So in between students, I get up and I just walk very quickly and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I count in my second language. I count up to 50 in between each student. This way I'm getting practice with a lot of different numbers. Okay, here's the bonus tip. You don't have to just count by 1, 2, 3 like we normally do. You can try counting by 2s like 2, 4, 6, 8, or by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and this will give you an even bigger boost to learning numbers. Don't forget to practice the 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the hundreds and the thousands. I think now that I've shared this tip with you, you're going to come up with some ideas of your own. Let us know some of the ways you practice your numbers. And like always, if you have questions, be sure to let me know in the comments. If you're ready to learn more English, YouTube has already picked this one out for you. And if you want to try something else, give this one a try. I'll see you there. One of the most helpful